A very good day to you students. I, teacher Nazita Andrad, am back again with another part of the lesson, Animals Around Us. Now do you remember what we learnt in our last class? Yes, we learnt about the different types of animals. What are the two types of animals? Wild animals and domestic animals. Wild animals can be found in jungles and forests, and they can also be found in grasslands. And domestic animals can be found in our homes and on farms. We have also learnt about the different places that these animals live in. Animals can be found on land, in water, on trees, and sometimes they live both on land as well as in water. Now animals can be big and small. Today we are going to learn about animals that have wings and feathers and animals that have 6 legs. Are you curious to know who these animals are? Well, let's begin. I will explain further with the help of these pictures. There are different kinds of animals around us. Animals that have wings and feathers are called birds. Wings help the birds to fly, but there are some birds that cannot fly. Feathers keep their body safe from the cold, heat and the rain. Birds have 2 legs. Their legs have sharp claws. Birds have 1 beak. Just like we use our mouth to eat food, the birds eat their food with their beaks. The birds can be found everywhere. Students, here you can see 3 beautiful parrots sitting on a branch. They are of 3 different colors. Can you identify this next bird? Yes, it's a kingfisher. You can often find the kingfisher near ponds. A kingfisher loves to eat fish. Which bird do you see here, students? Yes, you can see the mighty eagle flying. Next up, we have a sparrow. Sparrows are small birds. It's followed up by a picture of a pigeon. Here comes the peacock, students. Did you know that the peacock is the national bird of our country, India? Some birds cannot fly, such as this penguin. Penguins are found in the cold climate. Here is an ostrich running. Ostrich has strong legs that helps it run very fast, but they cannot fly. Students, insects are very small animals and they have 6 legs. Some insects are found on land, while some have wings to fly. Some can also be dangerous and scary. Look at this first picture, students. What do you see? Yes, it's a spider. Are you scared of spiders? Because I get very scared when I see one. Look closely, students. You can see that it's very small and has tiny legs. Can you count them? Now who do you see here, students? Correct, it's an ant. An ant loves sugar. Next, we have a fly. Like the ants, flies can be seen often. Oh, here is a cockroach. It can be black or brown. Cockroaches have been here since the time of dinosaurs. It's now time for insects that can fly. Here is a beautiful butterfly. Can you guess which insect this is? Yes, excellent. It's a dragonfly. Here's a scary insect for you. Who is it? Yes, it's a honeybee. Honeybees give us sweet honey that we love so much. Now here's a beetle. This is a green June beetle. Beetles can also fly. Here is a grasshopper. They can fly as well. Their legs help them to hop or jump very high. Students, I hope you paid close attention to the lesson today and you will remember about birds and insects. Now, I have a small task for you. I want you to go to your window and listen closely. Can you hear the birds? That is all for today, students. Until next time, stay safe and stay home. Thank you.